Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about some amazing Android tips and tricks that you probably didn't know about. So without further ado, let's begin. So for the first trick, go to your dialer and dial *#07# and it will tell you about the amount or value of radiations emitted from your phone's screen. If the SAR is below 1.6, then it is okay. But if the SAR is above 1.6, then you definitely need to change your phone because your phone is affecting your health very badly. So for the second trick, tap hold on your phone's home page, then go to widgets, then go to shortcut settings and then go to notification log. This will add notification log as a shortcut on your home page. Then open up notification log and you will find all of your phone's activity for the day, and you can even see WhatsApp messages in there. For the next trick, open up your dialer and dial *#67# and this will tell you if any of your data or calls or your text messages are being forwarded from your device or not. Moving on, for this next trick, click on the Recent Tabs button on the bottom of your screen and then tap hold on the title or the name of the app in there. This will give you an option labeled as Freeform. Click on that and that app will turn into a floating So for the last trick, go to settings and then go to accessibility and then go to magnification option and enable the service. Now whenever you triple tap on anything on your screen, it will zoom in, and this amazing feature works on every app and every website.